We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country, and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really high, and this of course has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years, but there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sports that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that also, this could be an area of very high-end tourism, where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success. Chalo, thanks.
Okay guys, let's go quickly.